Hi guys, it's Arabella. Today we are going to be opening Disney Plus Stitch Jumbo Mystery Capsule. I'm so excited. So yeah, let's get into it. I'm not actually sure how to open this, so there we go. Right. Maybe this could work. Well, thank you, scissors. And that fell on my floor. Right. Oh, pop. Oh, these are big surprises. Let's go with this one first. I'm not actually sure how to open this, so I think I'm gonna use my scissors again. I don't want to break whatever's inside. And then try and open it like this. Let's see. Oh, right. I think this is supposed to be a keychain. And we've got some colouring pencils here, blue and green. Oh, they're so pals, Yeah, this is like supposed to go to the top and like carry it up. Maybe I can put on my Christmas tree because it's not January yet. Oh, and I can colour this one as well. It's a Stitch as well. Let's see, is there anything else inside of it? Because there might be another Stitch. Oh! This fell out, I didn't even realise. So I didn't even know what this is. It's got like little stitches. You can't really see. So hey, it feels squishy inside this. Let's see what is inside. So it looks like a little keychain of Stitch. This is actually really cute. I think he's surfing. Is this ear? Oh, it was inside out. The ear was inside out, I think. He looks like he's having fun, just surfing. I can also put this on my Christmas tree. Alright. Right, next. I'm not actually sure what this is. It looks like a bit of cardboard. Oh, here's the poster because it said there's a poster on the back. Right, let's see what it is. Am I supposed to cut the elastic band? Right, nearly. Oh, there we go. And oh. It says Aloha. It's got Lilo on the surfboard, and it looks like Stitch is holding it up. It looks like there's some palm trees, I think that is, and some flowers. Right. It says there's a slinky, and I think this is a slinky. It's a slinky shape. Let's see. Oh yeah, it is a slinky. Let's see. Oh, I can see a little Stitch head popping up. So look, it's, oh, sorry, it's Stitch. Slinky tack. It's like really bad to slink, but I always break my slinkies because I'm gonna have to be careful with this. It's really cute, actually. I love it. This feels a bit hard. Is it like a keychain? Right. Yes, it is a Stitch. Is it? I mean, a keychain is Stitch. I don't know if you can see, but it looks like a half smile. I'm not sure if he's that happy though. It's actually really cute. I might put this on my Christmas tree to like yeah, right. Oh, well that popped out. Right, oh. Right, like angel figurine, and it's like really like sparkly. You can't really see it very well on camera, but it's really cool. And I'm getting glitter all on my hands. I've got lots of other Stitch figurines. It should be up there. Yeah. First, it's the Stitch eating sushi. Next, it's Stitch eating a cupcake. And then, my favourite one is a shiny angel, like holding a strawberry or hugging a strawberry. And now I've got a new shiny angel figurine. I think there's 2 things left, so let's see. There's like another figurine. Oh, it's a shiny Stitch figurine. Looks like it's in a little pool float. It's actually really cute. Right, okay. These are the 2 figurines I got. Then there's one last one. It looks like a bit of paper, let's see. I don't really want to like ruin the paper. Ow. Right, yes, scissors. I think it's like a bit of paper, like a colouring. Hey, it's a little Stitch sticker. It looks like he's holding up his surfboard and it says Stitch. Sorry, I thought it was like that way, like a word like that way. Oh, and there's another one. Looks like a little Stitch having some fun in another like little pool floaty thing. Is that it? Yeah, it's it. I'm actually really happy with this. So thank you for watching. Arabella loves games. See you later. Bye guys.